Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to use voice controls on your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Let's get started. And for that, we will need to open Galaxy Wearable application and make sure that your earbuds are connected to your phone. Here we just need to select the earbud settings, and now you can see this voice controls tab. So we can enable two features, Bixby Voice Wake Up and Voice Commands. Let's enable them both. And also here you can select language for the voice commands. So now you can see the list of commands which you can use while you're wearing your earbuds. For example, you can use play music, stop music, next song, previous song. You can see some adjustments for the volume and for the phone. So now I'm just gonna put in my earbud and show you it on the example of music. So here is my music tab. And now let's test it. Play music, stop music, next song, volume up, volume down, stop music. And here is how it works. Everything is smooth and seamless. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.